Hi everyone, this is Tiki and I am so excited about introducing my series of videos on how-to on herbals by naturals. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to make today is an herbal tincture made with elderberry, echinacea, and ginger. And it is excellent for cold and flu season, especially when you don't want to keep buying medication at the drugstore. You can just keep this in your pantry for your family. So let's start with our ginger. Ginger is great for nausea and vomiting and upset stomachs. And this is organic. I keep everything organic. And then we have elderberry. Elderberry is great for sinus problems, congestion, also asthma. So you want to keep that handy as well in your pantry. And then echinacea. Echinacea helps build the immune system. So with this mixture, that cold will be gone in a week. So now we have distilled water. Now alkaline water is best, but if you don't have that, distilled water will work for this remedy, okay? And then we have Everclear, which is 151 proof, but you do have to mix water with this. You cannot drink this by itself. So I use a lot of water. So let's add our ingredients. We're going to start with the elderberry, the ginger, and the echinacea. Sorry about that. And now the Everclear. Now I use a half a cup, but we're going to start with the first 1/4 cup, and this is my alternative. Apple cider vinegar. You know Braggs has the best. So this is our first mix, and we're going to shake it up and make sure the herbs is absorbing this liquid mixture. And you just keep shaking. It'll thicken a little bit, but this is just our first half, okay? We're halfway there. So now I'm going to pour in more Everclear and more water until a 32-ounce bottle is filled to the brim. And then I'm going to seal it real tight, airtight, and then they're all mixed well, and then as you can see, it's totally absorbed into the mixture. Now this is just the end of it. I couldn't show you everything, but I do have to strain this and put them in 4-ounce bottles to store in my pantry.